Hey guys, Fried here. I'm doing a model unboxing of MENG's 1/35th scale British Heavy Assault Tank, the A39 Tortoise. Now I was at a model show, and I had a choice between the German Elephant and the British Tortoise, and I love both of them, the way they look, the firepower and everything. They were both awesome. It was a hard choice, but I decided to go with the Tortoise. So, the outside of the box consists of illustrations of the Tortoise. And on the inside, first thing you'll probably see is this high quality instruction booklet. You open it up, a little brief history on the Tortoise, keys as to what the things are, like 32-pounder gun, the turret, commander's cupola, however you say that, and then you have the paint guide on this side, tools, and then the instructions on how to build a Tortoise. Now, one of the most notable things when you open the box will probably just be the hole. I mean, look at that. It's huge. Alright, the upper hole and the lower hole do come attached, but they are not glued. I mean, it's just so awesome. I love looking at this. You get 3 trays of individual link tracks. 1, 2, 3 trays. You get a bag of what seems to be 2 trays for the suspension parts. Another tray of what appears to be more suspension parts. Oh, that's one of the little individual link tracks I was experimenting with, and they're both still in there. 1 tray of exterior detail, which includes the side paneling, the commander's cupola, wires. I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually white rope. It appears to be rope. Yeah, it's rope. Some kind of thread. And then another tray of exterior details. So, the only thing I don't like about this kit too much is that there's a little brand name right there, and you'll probably have to sand that off. I don't think there's a model part that goes over that covers that. So, well, thank you guys for watching this model box opening. If you want to see more, please leave a comment down below. Hit that like button and just pound away on that subscribe button. Share if you really do like it. If you got model buddies, tell them about my channel. And thank you once more. Close enough. And thank you once more for watching.